Hello guys, welcome back once again in Study Tree. As we are seeing that climate is changing day by day, okay, so we have to be very careful in this weather. Guys, I request you all to be at home, be safe, and just carry on studying at home. Okay, guys, today we are going to study about the accent words. What are the accent words? The right uses of accent words, where we have to use accent words, and why is accent word necessary in English grammar. Well guys, before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel and just share this video among your friends guys. Well guys, now come, let us start our lesson today of exercise 8. Exercise 8, accent words. In our previous class, we had studied that what are the parts of speech, how many parts of speech are there? How many parts of speech are there? Can anyone say? Yes. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And I had given you all the definition of the parts of speech. So all doing words, all accent words are called verb. So verb is an accent word here. For example, eat, play, dance, write, cook, sing, watch. Okay, what are you doing? I am seeing video, I am watching my video. So watching will be my accent word here. What is your teacher doing? Your teacher is teaching. So teaching is my accent word here. What is your teacher? In which accent he is in? He's in a teaching action. So teaching will be my accent word. In a simple language guys, a verb is a doing word. Verb or accent word, both are same. Well guys, so I have mentioned here the definition, but I request you all guys to try to note it down all these in your fair copy. If possible, just mention the date over here in your copy. Well guys, now accent words are the words that describe actions: playing, dancing, eating, writing, going. What is your father doing? My father is reading the newspaper. So reading is my accent word. What is your mommy doing? My mommy is cooking food. Cooking is my accent word. What is your elder sister doing? My elder sister is playing video game. Playing will be my accent word. Okay. What are you doing? I am studying. Studying is my accent word here. Well, they tell us what people, animals or things do. Okay, they are also called doing words. They are also called doing words. That means, once again guys, okay, accent words are words that describes action. Okay, they tell us what people or animals or things do. They are also called doing words. For example, eat, play, sing, dance, write, go, come, help, eat, drink. These are all accent words. Well guys, now here, for example, I have given here, circle the accent words in the sentences. I see a little bird. What do you see? Little bird. So see is my accent word here. So see will be my accent word here. The bird is singing on a tree. The bird is singing. Singing is my accent word here. So singing is my accent word. I talk to the bird. So I talk is my accent word. Okay. The bird comes to me. Okay. The bird comes to me. So comes is my action word. Well guys, once again, I see a little bird. She is my action word here. Second, the bird is singing on a tree. Singing is my action word here. I talk to the bird. Talk is my action word here. The bird comes to me. So comes is my action word. Well guys, so come, let us start our class today. This class is going to be very interesting guys. But, you have not to skip the video. Okay, please guys, don't skip the video and watch. Okay, so come, let's begin. It is very important class guys. I'm going to make this class very interesting. I will take this class in a very simple way. Okay, but promise me that please do not skip the video and watch. Okay, so come, let's get started. Well guys, now it's time to come to page number 57. Page number 57. Guys, if you have book, just open on page number 57. If you don't have book, doesn't matter guys. The teacher of Bloomfield International School is family member of the family member of Bloomfield International School is always beside you with your studies. Okay, so please download the PDF. All the pages has been scanned. All the pages has been scanned guys. Okay, just download the PDF. Even the homework has been given in the PDF. Okay guys, for all the subjects. Guys, I request you once again to please download the PDF of all the subjects. Okay, always remember, any problem, if you are facing any problem in any subjects, just go to the comment box of any subject guys. Okay, I have requested you and I made you understand. The teacher of Bloomfield International School is always standing beside you with your studies. Well, now on page number 57. Page number 57 is very easy guys. Okay, fill in the blanks, use the action words given below. What you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks. The words has been given here. Okay, you have to choose from these words: sleep, run, watch, eat, push, write, laugh, drink. Once again, sleep, run, watch, eat, push, write, laugh and drink. Now you have to fill in the blanks here guys. Come, let's try. Okay, come, let's try guys. Dash 5 words about your friends. Okay, first read all the questions guys. We do not dash each other when we stand in a line. That means we are talking about the assembly line. Okay, well, I dash a lot when I dash cartoons. Okay, I dash on time every day. I love to dash popcorn and dash juice. Dash fast or you will miss the bus. Okay, now come, let's try to fill in the blanks. Okay, the first word is dash 5 words about your friends. Write. Okay, sleep, run, watch, eat, push, write, laugh, drink. What are you going to write here? Write. Write 5 lines about your friends. Put a tick mark here. Write, mention it here. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Okay. We do not dash each other when we stand in a line. Sleep, run, watch, eat, push, push. Okay. We do not push. P-U-S-H. We do not push. Push means like this to do. We do not push each other when we stand in a line. Then the third question is, I dash a lot when I dash cartoons. What do you do when do you watch your cartoon? Suppose you are watching Mickey Mouse cartoon. Okay, so you laugh. The Cartoon Network makes us laugh. The cartoon makes us laugh. So I dash. I laugh a lot. I laugh, L-A-U-G-H. I laugh a lot when I watch cartoons. Laugh is, push is completed, watch is completed. When I watch, W-A-T-C-H. When I watch, and laugh is completed. Okay. I laugh a lot when I watch cartoons. Next, I dash on time every day. Huh? Okay, I sleep. After watching the cartoon, what do? I sleep. I sleep. SLEEP. I sleep on time every day. Okay, next, I love to dash popcorn. I like to eat popcorn. Very good. Do you eat popcorn? Do you eat popcorns? Yes, I eat popcorn. I love to eat popcorn and drink juice. Juice, we should drink every day juice. Well guys, dash fast or you will miss the bus. Okay, run fast. Okay, run fast or you will miss the bus. So guys, write 5 words about your friends. Okay, write. We do not push each other. Okay, when we stand in a queue line, I laugh a lot when I watch cartoon. Watch, laugh. Okay, I sleep on time every day. Sleep. I love to eat. I love to eat popcorns and drink juice. Okay, run fast. Run fast or you will miss the bus. All these circled words are action words. Okay, always remember guys, all these circle words, okay, which you have filled just now in the brackets, all these are all action words. These action words are even called the verbs. These are the examples of verbs. Okay, now come, let's go to the next page. Well guys, on page number 58. Okay, it is very easy guys. Use the following action words in sentences. You have to use all these words in your own sentences. Example has been given here, the words has been given here: jump, shake, fly, pull and throw. Okay, it is very easy guys. Okay, now jump. Okay, suppose for example I like to jump. I like to jump. I like to jump. Well, full stop, put a full stop here. Go to the next one, sit. I sit on the bench. Okay, I sit on the bench. Well guys, do you like to sit on the bench? Yes. Next, fly. Do you like to fly the kite? I like to fly the kite. Okay, I like to fly the kite. Very good. K-I-T-E. Put a full stop here. Okay. Pull. Don't pull the bench. Okay. Don't pull the table. Okay. Don't pull the bench. Well guys, we should not pull the bench. Okay. Next is throw. Throw the ball. Okay. Throw the ball. T-H-R-O-W. Throw the ball. B-A-L-L. Pull up. Put a full stop there. Whenever, always remember, whenever you end any sentence, guys, try to put a full stop there. Okay. Just put a full stop. Well, guys, jump. I like to jump. Sit. I sit on the bench. Okay. Fly. I like to fly the kite. Okay. Pull. Don't pull the bench. Okay. Next is throw. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Throw the rubbish. Throw the paper in the dustbin. Okay. There are many examples, guys. Try to make sentence by your own. This is only the example for you. Come. Let's go to the next page. Shall we go? Come. Let's go to the next page. Well guys, now on page number 59. Okay, just concentrate and watch guys. You are going to enjoy a lot. Okay, and you are going to learn many things today. Okay, now this is the last question over here. Correct the sentences by putting in action word you have to put. Okay, where you have to put action word, just remember that. You have to pay attention there guys. Okay, monkeys from trees. You have to put accent word. What you have to put, guys? You have to put accent words. Accent words has not been used in the sentences, so you have to adjust. You have to put a accent words. Okay. Monkeys from trees. Monkeys. monkeys. Monkeys swing. swing. Swing from trees. Okay. From trees. Have you ever seen, guys, monkey swinging on the trees? Yes. Okay. Horses very fast. Horses very fast. What does horse do? Horses run. Okay. Horses run very fast. Okay. Horses run very fast. Next question. Fish in the lake. Fish in the lake. What does the fish do? Fish swims. Okay. Fish swims. Fish swim in the lake. In the lake. Well, guys, I in the park. What do you do in the park? You play or you sleep in the park. What do? You play. Okay. I play in the park. So I play in the park. I play in the park. Come, let's go through the answer. Monkeys from trees. Monkeys swing from trees. Okay. Next, horses very fast. Horses run very fast. Fish in the lake. Fish swim in the lake. Okay. I in the park. I play in the park. So swing. Once again, swing, run. Okay. Swim and play. These words are called accent words. These are the example of accent word. Hope that you all enjoyed a lot today, guys. Just carry on watching my video. More excitement I am going to bring for you all. Just carry on watching the video and do not forget to press the bell icon over here once again and share my channel, like my channel, okay, amongst your friends, and just go to the comment box and drop your name there. Mention your name. As you mention your name in the comment box, your attendance is automatically done up here. So guys, always remember that the teacher of Bloomfield International School is always with you guys, with your study, for your studies. Okay, just carry on watching all the videos of Bloomfield International School. Thank you very much. Have a good day.